Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. We are at day 11 of my 12 days of giveaways. As you know, we're playing catch up from last month, and so I'm so excited about this giveaway for today. I'll put the link to enter the giveaway below. And so what I am giving away today is awesome. It is a set, a white coffee press set from the French Press Coffee Company. Absolutely beautiful. You all know how much I love white dishware along with a coffee press, so to have this combination is just absolutely gorgeous. And so I'm so excited that one of you will be able to enjoy this, have your girlfriend over for a nice cup of coffee, and it's just really a beautiful set. And so I love the ease and use of a coffee press, and then also the great flavors that you get from your coffee when you make it in a press. So what it comes with is you get the tea towel, the 2 cups, along with the press, and it has the instructions on how to brew your coffee, so you will have no problem here. And it's just beautifully packaged in the box, and so you're going to get this whole set, one winner. I hope you all will enter. I hope you will enjoy, and definitely I'll put the link to the French Press Coffee Company below, so check them out. And I do want to say I'll put the link to my email list where you can get on my email list so that you can be notified of the winners, so definitely check that out. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.